Holy shit. Okay, so this is what we got going on, right? We have Loopring busting all-time highs, right? You know, and with the interesting thing, let me show you this real quick. Some of the data here. So we have a 66% buy and a 34% sells, right? So I've been watching this, okay? 2 days ago, it was basically inverted. We had a 34.66 sell. The typical hold time was like 2 to 3 days. This is increasing the typical hold time. This is increasing the buy versus sell ratio. And look at the volume, $8.7 billion. Now hold on. Okay, so if we take a calculator, right, and we take the volume of 3.8 or 8.6 billion, 8.7 billion now. So we take 8.7 billion, and let's just assume that everyone bought at, let's just say $3.50, just to give it an absurd high number, right? So we divide that by $3.50. We're trading basically double the circulating supply. We've traded 2.4 billion tokens today, but there's only 1.3 in circulation. So here's my thoughts. As the supply dries up, as the trading buy sell goes up, as the typical hold time goes up, and there's not a lot of supply left in circulation, what happens? Does supply and demand work in crypto? Because if so, this could be crazy. Now, again, I mean, the craziest thing to me is, look, it's still number 29 in popularity. Remember when Shiba started running, it instantly became like top 10? I don't even think FOMO is truly set in for this thing yet. So yeah, this is nuts, everybody. Holding.